Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make oatmeal less boring. Let's transform your breakfast from bland to brilliant with simple, easy methods. You don't need fancy ingredients or complex recipes to create a delicious and exciting bowl of oatmeal. We'll explore quick additions that boost flavor and texture, making your morning meal something you truly look forward to. Get ready to discover your new favorite oatmeal combinations. Beyond just fruit, consider these simple flavor boosters. A little bit of maple syrup or honey can make a big difference, offering a natural sweetness without being overpowering. For a creamy texture and an extra protein kick, stir in a spoonful of your favorite nut butter. And don't forget the secret ingredient. A tiny pinch of salt truly makes all the other flavors pop.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these easy oatmeal tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Speaking of making things easier, let me tell you about the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your clean game effortless. Just like these oatmeal hacks, it's about smart solutions. Find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Texture is key to making oatmeal exciting. Adding chia seeds or flax seeds not only thickens your oatmeal, but also boosts its nutritional value with healthy fats. For a chewy element, dried fruits like cranberries or apricots are fantastic. And if you're looking for a tropical twist and a satisfying crunch, a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes is absolutely perfect. These small additions make a huge impact. Who says oatmeal has to be sweet? Let's explore the unexpected world of savory oatmeal. Imagine topping your warm oats with a perfectly fried egg and a sprinkle of your favorite cheese. You can also stir in some sautéed vegetables, like spinach or mushrooms, for a nutritious and hearty meal. A dash of hot sauce or a pinch of black pepper can add a surprising and delicious kick. It's a game changer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.